AI video has officially crossed the line between tool and cinema. For months, creators begged for OpenAI Sora. And now, thanks to Higgsfield, that power is here for everyone. No limits, no waitlists, no region locks. Welcome to Sora 2 and Sora 2 Pro, the first uncensored, unlimited AI cinema engines that let you write, direct, and produce films in minutes. OpenAI built the tech. Higgsfield made it free to create with. Hollywood has the studios, we have the servers, and this time, the entire planet gets a director's chair. Let's be real. When Sora was first announced, it felt untouchable, a demo for the chosen few. Higgsfield looked at that and said, nope. They rebuilt it, rescaled it, and dropped Sora 2, giving creators unlimited generations and global access. That means you can run it nonstop, day or night, without caps or queues. You don't need a VPN, you don't need a studio budget. You just need an idea. From a sci-fi short film to a 15-second meme, Sora 2 runs like a dream, and it's completely free to start.
Bro, you okay?
Yo, hold up. I'm good.
Dude, that rack just blew apart.
Alright, let's see. Oh, bro.
Oh my God.
This is the democratization of cinema, the end of gatekeeping, the start of a new creative economy. So what's actually new under the hood? Sora 2 is now a full 1080p storytelling engine, audio, emotion, and camera logic fully synchronized. Your characters don't just move, they act. Scenes breathe like they were shot by a real director. Then comes the upgrade everyone's talking about, Sora 2 Pro. It's not just bigger, it's smarter. It features multi-scene reasoning and narrative continuity. That means story logic actually flows from one scene to the next. Characters remember, lighting stays consistent, dialogue feels human. It's the first AI that can think like a screenwriter and move like a cinematographer.
You risked the crew for a trinket?
It's no trinket. It's a promise.
Whatever that key opens, everyone wants it shut.
Then we open it first.
And pray we survive the door.
Now let's talk usability, because Sora 2 Pro isn't just powerful, it's insanely simple to use. Let me show you how it works. Go to higgsfield.ai, log in, and open the Create bar. This is where the magic happens. Let's type a prompt, something like, cinematic close-up movie scene of a Japanese woman in a kimono in front of a Japanese temple. Now under Models, select Sora 2 Pro. You'll see a few quick options. Choose the duration, depending on how long you want your clip. Pick 720p or full 1080p cinematic quality. Lastly, choose the aspect ratio and hit Generate. And in seconds, your film starts to appear. You'll see dynamic camera movement, realistic motion, synced sound, and detail that looks straight out of a movie set.
風が冷たくなるたびに、ここに帰ってきたくなるのです。
That's it. No setup, no hardware, no coding. And because it's built on OpenAI's foundational tech, it learns fast. Each generation understands tone, emotion, and camera mood better than the last. But not everything has to be deep cinema. Sometimes you just want chaos and fun. Enter Brainrot Mode. And yes, it's exactly what it sounds like. Fast-cut, meme-native micro-stories built for TikTok, Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Hit Generate, drop your beat, ship your meme, you're done in minutes.
What keeps you in this neighborhood? You could live anywhere.
Honestly, the people, everyone's. Hey, whoa!
Milo, drop it! I'm so
Okay,
sorry.
that dog just mugged your mic.
And if you're a brand builder or agency, this next part will blow your mind. Product placement mode. It lets you showcase products inside the story. Subtle when you want it, bold when you need it. From a coffee cup in the background to a hero car shot front and center. It's the first time AI cinema and marketing have actually merged without feeling like an ad.
Between us, the air is alive. Light touches light, and nothing is lost. What we carry keeps sounding under the surface.
All right, time to geek out a little. The tech behind Sora 2 is nothing short of insane. You get unlimited generations, rendered in 1080p with audio-driven synchronization, so every lip move matches the voice and music perfectly. It uses advanced motion reasoning to understand cause and effect. If a character throws something, the camera knows where it's going. Everything runs on a global cloud. No throttling, no downtime. And yes, it's uncensored. You control tone, style, and creativity completely. It also connects seamlessly to Higgsfield's ecosystem: Soul, Nano Banana, Product to Video, Kling, and Infinite Talk. That means you can go from idea to dialogue to film to distribution without ever leaving the platform. It's a complete studio stack, and it's available to anyone with a browser. This is where Higgsfield pulls ahead of every other AI video tool. Continuity control lets you lock arcs and themes so characters don't randomly change faces mid-scene.
Fire takes what's left.
Then you fight!
Scene coherence ensures your story stays on track from prompt 1 to final frame.
パーフェクトズチリップグリーンブリーズ
You can literally direct your own short film like a Hollywood pro.
I'd know the world is still worth fighting for.
Choose camera shots, adjust lighting, set dialogue timing, and watch it all play out in seconds. It's not just AI assistance, it's AI direction. And that's why filmmakers, TikTok creators, and even ad agencies are calling Sora 2 the AI studio without walls. Imagine writing a script in the morning and posting a fully directed AI film by lunch. That's the pace we're at now. Sora 2 is for every kind of creator. Filmmakers can shoot scenes with no cameras, actors, or crew. Artists can turn concepts into motion in seconds. Influencers can make scroll-stopping content faster than they can edit. Agencies can pitch full storyboards in real time, client-ready. Even enterprises are using it to scale multilingual training and brand content at light speed. It's not just for techies, it's for storytellers. And in a world where content rules everything, Sora 2 is how you stay ahead of the algorithm and the competition. Oh, and Higgsfield didn't just launch a product, they launched a challenge. Right now on Instagram, hashtag Higgsfield Sora is live, and you can win up to $6,000 for the most viral video. Top 20 entries get $250 each. Post 10 videos, you unlock the Pro Plan. 30 videos, Ultimate Plan. 70 videos, Creator Plan. It ends October 14th, 2025, so you've got days to create something wild. Higgsfield Sora 2 and Sora 2 Pro aren't just AI tools. They're the beginning of AI cinema for the masses. No limits, no filters, just pure creativity. This is Uprising AI, and the future of filmmaking is finally in your hands.